I'm going for the next part of the problem. Digital continuous wave communication. The bit rate of NRZ, non return to zero data stream, right, is 1 megabits per second. The carrier frequency is 100 hertz. Right, find symbol rate and the transmission rate and the bandwidth of BPSK, QPSK, 16 array PSK systems. So please observe, the data rate is 1 megabits per second. That's why FB, right, bit rate FB, because it deals with the input bit, it's FB, is 1 megabits per second is 1 × 10 to the power of 6. Correct? That is FB. So that is a bit rate. Now TB is 1 by FB, 1 by 1 × 10 to the power of 6. That is this value. And F0 he has all given in the problem 100 megahertz. Now, right, BPSK systems. So what happens? The bandwidth of the BPSK system is 2 into FB. 2 into FB is 1, right, 1 mega. So you will get this value. Now in BPSK, at a time one data is sent at a time. That means N is equal to 1. That means TB is equal to TS is equal to 1 × 10 to the power of -6. Then symbol rate. Symbol rate is 1 by TS. Just now you got the value of TS, 1 × 10 to the power of 6. This is a value that you have got. Now when I deal with the QPSK, so bandwidth of QPSK is half of the BPSK. BPSK bandwidth is 2 FB, right? QPSK is FB. So FB, you know what the value for FB already know. TB, because I am dividing the symbol into odd and even, as a result of this, at a time I am sending 2 data at a time. So N is equal to 2. That's why 2 into TB. TB you already know the values. So symbol rate 1 by TS. Your TS is equal to 2 into TB. So you can get the value for symbol rate. Now 16 array PSK. Already we have explained bandwidth, right? 2FB divided by N. So 2FB divided by N. That is M is equal to 16. That is 2 to the power of N. 2 to the power of N. That means this M is equal to 16, 2 equal to 2 to the power of N means I can get the value for N. Remember, it is log 2 because we are dealing with binary data. So log 2 of 16 is 4. Your ITC have already done this part. Now when I deal with the bandwidth, so bandwidth is equal to 2, you already know. FB already got. The value for N is equal to 4. You got this value. TS is equal to N into TB because I am combining N bit of data, and N means what? 4. 4 bit of data I am combining to send a carrier. So 4 into TB you already know. So symbol rate is equal to 1 by TS. TS we have already calculated. You will get this value.